The peregrine falcon, also known as Falco peregrinus, is found in every continent except Antarctica. This diverse habitat ranges from the Arctic tundra to deserts, but you will really find this bird along coastal areas and large bodies of water. You can also spot this bird migrating to South America during the fall, but not all peregrine falcons migrate. This falcon is also referred to as the duck hawk due to regularly feasting on waterfowl. Peregrine falcons in more urban areas have been seen hunting pigeons, but sightings show that the falcon also consumes smaller birds, mammals, and often reptiles. While in stoop, the falcon can reach speeds up to 240 miles per hour. During this position, the falcon will start high in the sky, tuck its wings in, and dive towards its prey. While hunting smaller birds and waterfowl, the falcon will only catch its prey in mid-flight. The falcon is a very solitary predator. You will never really see more than one falcon unless it's during the breeding season, when you will find them in pairs. The peregrine falcon can be hard to identify due to its plumage and average traveling speeds of 25 to 34 miles per hour. The plumage is often slate and blue-gray wings, pale underbellies, and black markings along the back and under the eyes. Around the eye is a bright yellow. As a raptor, the falcon has a strong hooked beak and powerful talons. The female falcon is much larger than the male and can be easier identified with its reddish tint to their underside versus the pale underside of the males. Male falcons are also called tercial due to the fact that the female can be 1/3 of the size larger than the male. A reason for the larger size of the female would be to protect themselves from any aggressive males that cross their paths. The call of the falcon sounds much like when you open a rusted and squeaky metal cabinet very slowly. The peregrine falcon is the most common bird to use in the hunting sport known as falconry. This sport dates back as far as 4000 to 6000 BCE in Mongolia. The falcon can live from 10 to 15 years in the wild and up to 20 years in captivity. The falcon usually nests in tall areas like cliffs or tall trees for the safety of their young. In urban areas, the falcon have been spotted to be nesting off of tall buildings and skyscrapers. The average clutch size is 3 to 4 eggs. The young are targeted by other birds of prey such as the great horned owl and other predatory mammals such as the marten. The peregrine falcon was almost extinct in North America, but has since then recovered. In 1962, Rachel Carson highlighted the effects of DDT, a now illegal pesticide, in her book, Silent Spring. This insecticide devastated the population of the peregrine falcon and many other birds of prey. The chemical was reported to weaken the shell of the eggs. This caused a drastic reduction in reproduction capacity and ultimately got the falcon on the endangered list in 1970. At this time, there were only 39 known pairs in the lower 48 states. Through the banning of DDT, habitat protection, and reintroduction of the species, peregrine falcons were delisted in 1999. Today, there are about 3,000 breeding pairs in North America. This includes Mexico and Canada. Because Yellowstone is so well protected and preserved, the studies done in Yellowstone are the regulated baselines for the comparison of population numbers throughout the rest of the world. In 2022, Yellowstone reported that 23 breeding territories were occupied. After breeding season and when fledglings have left the nest, scientists will collect feathers and shell fragment samples to test for pollutants and climate change.